Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a major haul. I'm super excited. So it's another change of a background. I am actually in my kitchen. There's a very messy living room behind me. I don't know if you can see Eddie. He's sitting right there on the couch. So anyway, I'm just trying kind of different places and see what's gonna work the best. Yeah, I'm kind of tired of my bedroom, but I might be back there. You never know. So, you guys, I did a lot of shopping. When I posted my last two videos, I kind of recorded them in the beginning of the month, and I told you that I had a lot of things on my wish list, and you know, I was searching high and low for certain items. And I can't believe it, I was able to get quite a few of them. One was actually very easy, but the rest, the other three were pretty difficult. So I'm very casual today. This is my first purchase, you guys. Yes, I got myself this nice Prada hat. There's a little Prada logo. It's like a, I wouldn't say it's like a boucle, it's like a Charlene kind of, but it's not really a Charlene. I don't know what is it called exactly, but isn't that cute? So I've decided to be very casual. It's gonna be nice for, like, you know, for now, basically for like winter months. So I just thought I will wear it today because I got myself this nice hat, and I'm very happy. So I'm still, by the way, I'm still on the hunt for, well, it's not like it's not available. I'm talking about the YSL. I'll pop the picture in here. It's very similar to the Prada. I just don't want to pay $500. So I'm waiting for the sale. I know it's gonna go down. I'm waiting for the sale, okay? But in the meantime, I get this one, and I think it's really, really cute. And even my husband likes it, so I might borrow to him at some point. All right, you guys, I have two things from Chanel. And yeah, I opened all of those things. I have one from Dior, which I very nicely put the ribbon back on, but honestly, I opened. And yeah, maybe we'll start with the Louis Vuitton. Why not? Because that's something that I already started using. And I told you guys in my last video that I was looking for it, and I basically, by the time the video went live, I purchased the item, but it came in this beautiful box. And like I said, I already moved into it. I got it. Ah! So this is the Louis Vuitton Agenda in the size GM. I told you in my last video, and by the way, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it up there or up there. I think it's on the side. So yes, I found it. It's not a brand new, but it came with the box and, you know, the dust bag and everything. It is slightly used, but honestly, you guys, it was in excellent condition. I checked, you know, all the, you know, sometimes LV can have a little problems with the, what's it called, with the glazing. So it is very beautiful condition. Obviously, you know, the button will have scratches. It would be pretty much impossible to buy, you know, some used, you know, item, pre-owned item without scratches on the button. So obviously that's you know, that's something. So like I said, I moved already into this beautiful agenda. If you're familiar with the LV agendas, they have very similar layouts. Obviously the GM has some like extra pockets in here. So yeah, I already moved in here. I put my stuff. I don't have Louis Vuitton calendar. I was trying to get one. It was impossible. It sold out online. Maybe some stores will have it, but I didn't really call and try to get it. So I get one from like Etsy and Amazon, and it is a lot of inserts. So I'm actually thinking maybe I should just keep half a year at a time, you know, and because it can get a little heavy, but you know, I can customize this a little bit. And yeah, I'm super happy. There's a pocket in the back in here. There's a small pocket in here. So I am super happy that I finally got my hands on this. I do have the one in MM size, which is, it's good, and I keep a lot of like sensitive information in there, but I wanted to have this just so I can, you know, use it as my daily kind of agenda, calendar, you know, put things that I have to do. So yeah, I am super excited about this. I know there's quite a few of you who are watching me from the UK. You were so kind, and you sent me messages saying that it is available on the Louis Vuitton UK website, but unfortunately in the US it's like for the past, I would say, over a year, like I have been looking for this and I was not able to see it. And I did ask, you know, at the stores and they just don't have it. And I guess you just have to be patient and maybe wait and someday get it. But yeah, I was able to find one on the pre-loved market and I'm super, super happy. Let's talk about the Dior. I've got something that I told you guys I was thinking about getting when I was talking about my wish list. And yes, I told you that this year I want to focus more. I actually did a lot of designer shoe shopping last year, and I told you that this year I have quite a few shoes on my wish list, and yes, I was able to find them. So here's the Dior item. Let me just show you very quickly. Like I said earlier, I already unboxed everything, so it's not gonna be a surprise for me. Sorry if I'm making too much noise. So you guys, yes, I got myself those sneakers. So these are the, I don't know what they are. I'll link them down below because I think they are still available. They do come like in different colors as well. So you can have them like in red. I think there's black. Is there multicolors too? I don't remember, but I was really after the white with this kind of like what is it called, like a gray kind of a trim. They are like, it's very interesting, they're like nylon. How should I describe it? Yeah, they're like nylon in here. This is all, you know, nylon, and then this is, I think it's like a leather piece, and they are, you know, high top sneakers, and they are super comfortable. I didn't wear them outside. I kind of, you know, wear them inside the house. They're super comfortable, and they're a little hard to put on. I really don't have, I think the only one high top sneaker I have is from the Zanotti, but they are like pretty stiff. And these are a little bit more flexible, obviously because of the, you know, nylon material in here. But they are not too heavy, which is very nice. You know, I think they're gonna be, I'm just gonna wear them forever, you know, because I feel like they're just gonna last for a long time. Looks like they're nicely made. So yeah, what do you guys think? So obviously I had these on my wish list, so yeah, I got these finally, so I am super, super happy. I will link them down below because, you know, the good thing about the Dior, you can shop online. You can find them and you can, you know, that's how I usually shop. You just purchase things online. I wish the Chanel was this way. Chanel is like almost impossible, you know, to get. And I called so many stores, like so many boutiques. I don't even know which boutiques this came from because different people were coming back to me with different items, but two things that were specifically on my wish list, I was able to get it. So let me show you. The box came a little bit destroyed, but that's okay. Both of those items, both of those shoes, these are shoes by the way, are like a current, I think. Well, yeah, you know what I mean. All right, so let me show you. The first pair of shoes, I knew I have to get it now because once it gets closer to the summer, it's impossible to get them. And I've got, dun da da da. Yes. Oh, let me take this off. I got the sandals. And these are, I don't know what they are, like caviar leather with those little, you know, CCs here on those straps. And those straps, by the way, they are like, you know, you can adjust them to your feet slightly. My feet are very narrow, okay? My feet are very narrow, so I can just kind of, you know, maybe the shoes don't look the most flattering on my feet, but it's fun, you know, it's all about the fashion, right? So you can obviously move these. I did open the back ones just so I can put my feet in. I don't know, are you supposed to use this or this to kind of, you know, when you start wearing them. So yeah, I got the, what do they call them? I don't even know what they call them. Dad sandals? I don't know. So, oops, wrong way. Hold on. There we go. So what do you guys think? I don't know. I was, you know, they came up with that kind of like a white, it looks like a doodle, kind of like a painted like little, I don't know, white with a black like little trim. I was thinking to get these at first, but then I was like, let me just be safe. You know, let me just go for the black ones. And yes, they are super, super expensive. So I cannot, you know, I mean, they would be kind of silly to get a second pair. I think these will be just enough, and I'm kind of, you know, I'm kind of happy that I was able to get them. The only thing I would say, see the back, it's like, it's kind of, I think it's gonna be, I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it's gonna be quite slippery, you know, because it's like there's no, like, even my son's, there's like no traction or anything like that. It's like all shiny. Yeah, they might not be, you know, I'll have to like work them out a little bit, but I think once you start wearing them, they're gonna be, you know, perfectly fine. So yeah, so I got my sandals. All right guys, the second pair of shoes, let's unbox these. So these came from, I don't even know, these were from different boutiques. They both came from like different boutiques. I do ask, you know, like on the, because I really, honestly, I don't have any essay that I would stick to. I did ask like on a Facebook, you know, someone can recommend their essays, and you know, that's the people that I usually, you know, call. So that's what I did. So that's how I managed to get my shoes. Okay, let me show you guys what I've got. Oh my God, I'm so excited about these. Look at these. Ta-da! So these are the sneakers. Yes, these are the sneakers, and these are the current season. I've seen them on the website. They do come with some extra laces and I don't know, some stuff in here. But anyway, dust bags and all that stuff. These are the Chanel sneakers, and these are the, like a neat, how should I describe this? There's a CC right here, and all of this is not leather, this is just a fabric. So it's very kind of, it's like a sock. Think about it like you have a little sock, and they look like they're really a little kind of distressed a little bit. They do come like in different colors, like you can get them like all white, but I thought the black and the white is just nice, and they're super light. There's obviously big, it says Chanel here on the back. So yeah, and like the funny thing, it's like this whole bottom, do you see it? It's all CCs. How fun is that? So they are both, yeah, they have like very, you know, very nice, the back. But what do you guys think? I'm so excited. So I tried them on. They're super comfortable. I think they're gonna be like perfect for spring and summer, you know, like with the shorts, because they are kind of, you know, they are not leather. They're kind of a neat material. So they're gonna be for the spring and the summer. Because they are so easy, you know, to put on and off, and it's just lightweight, and you know, I think it's gonna be breathable because of the, you know, because of the fabric, because of the material. So yeah, what do you guys think? I'm super excited. I wish, like I said, I wish these things would be like available to buy online, you know, to order online. It would be just so much easier. All you can see is just like, call us, call the boutique, call this, call that. Oh, this is so annoying, I'm telling you guys. But anyway, yeah, so these are all the items I got. And the very last thing, you guys, I mentioned in my wish list video, and I shared this on my Instagram, that of course I have a Rolex on my wish list. It's a Datejust. My husband said like, they don't make them anymore. It's like with the blue face and diamonds on it. It was just like, my husband's like, those are old, they don't make them anymore. You know, because like every year they will have different one, but the Rolexes are like impossible to get. So my husband got me his Rolex. He gave me, basically. He has a few, and his favorite one is the Daytona. That's what he wears all the time. He's like, nice gold Daytona. So he had this one, which for the past year or so, he was telling me that I could wear it, I could, you know, have it, and I don't know, for some reason I never really took him seriously, because I really like my other watches that I have, and my mind is like so set on that Rolex with the blue face, you know, and diamonds. But he goes like, why don't you just take it? Just take it. So he removed, you know, a couple of links, and it was still too big. We had to adjust, you know, that little thingy here, and finally it's good. I could probably still go a little bit smaller, but yeah. So look how quickly my wish list is actually happening. That was like something that it was unexpected. So yeah, thank you for my husband, and he said it looks very nice on me. So I happened to accidentally be an owner of the Rolex, and I told you guys the one that I have, the very tiny one, it's like 26. I think this one is 31. I don't even know the size. But the one I have, which is very similar, it has all the diamonds, and you know, it's gold and all of it. It's just too small. I like big watches. You always see me wearing big watches. I like big watches. So yeah, so I'm pretty happy. I have all those new shoes to wear now, and my beautiful agenda to keep myself organized. So yeah, so this is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Of course, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And there is more shoes on my wish list. I am so into the shoes this year. So I want to clean up my closet. I want to organize everything and kind of maybe downsize with the other stuff that I own, too many handbags and all that stuff. So we'll see, but I am super excited. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.